What's up? So I've got a 26-mile run today. I'm gonna go to Barbersville Park for this one. It's supposed to be race specific pacing. It is 9 degrees right now and I'm waiting on my car to warm up before I can start moving. But yeah, it's gonna be a cold one. I've got the drone with me, so hopefully I can get some drone shots. Ooh, my feet are freezing. So similar to the last time I did one of these, I've got a bunch of tailwind, I've got 2 PB&J sandwiches, I've got a big old thing of honey, got Pop-Tarts, and I got a couple little ultra food thingies, or running things. I got a jar of pickles. I've had these and I've not opened them yet. I've had these since my first long run in this format. And I got salt pills. Let's see, the ground is frozen solid. Oh my God, it's cold. It is 9 degrees. It's not supposed to get till like 14 degrees for another hour. I'm not gonna wanna stop very much until it warms up, but this is the coldest I've been. But it's good. It's a beautiful day. My plan right now, I'm not sure how feasible this will be, but my plan right now is to run loops from this end of the park to the other end of the park where the lake is, do a lap around the lake, come back here, do a lap around all of this, and then repeat that. I'm not sure how long that's gonna be, how long of a lap that is, or a loop, but that's kind of my plan right now. Do workout, yes please. Start the timer. All right, there it is. Getting the muscles moving. Oh, when it's this cold, really kind of sucks. This will be a little bit different from the last couple of runs I did, only because of the slight elevation changes along this path, which is kind of intentional. I wanted to vary it up a little bit. I don't want to run around Marshall again. All right, y'all, it's really fucking cold. I'm feeling it now. These gloves are not doing the job. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Oh, this is fun. Solid sheet of ice. Oh boy. Starting to feel a little bit better, but whew, it's cold. Good thing is, everything is ice at the moment, so my shoes aren't getting wet. Whew. See, everything is frozen. That's my first 20 minutes. Check this out. Oh wow. Oh wow, that is frozen solid. Oh, I'm putting all my weight on it. Ah! Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, now I can't get off. Oh, it cracked. Oh god. Oh god, okay. All right, I'm starting to run into a little issue, which is the snow is getting on my sock. So I'm gonna cut this loop out because I do not want wet socks for the next 4 hours. I'm not hungry, but I'm gonna need soon a PB&J. Go ahead and grab her. Dad agreed to come down and film me with the drone. Hey, you coming down?
Yeah, I'm almost there actually. I'm in the park.
Well, shit. I'm over on the soccer field side. All right, I'll see you in a bit. I'll be right around here.
All right, honey.
All right, love you. Bye. Okay, and my watch just beeped. Time to get moving again. Yo!
Good morning.
Morning. Hey, I've got 6 more minutes. You want to grab my gray case and my phone. It's right here. The gray case is in my orange bag. My phone's in the box, I think. And then follow me up this way. I'm going to go this way first so I can get my 6 minutes down. What's that?
These sprints are all yours.
No, I haven't been down there. You gonna walk some laps with me on race day?
Yeah, I'll walk some laps.
Some 2 mile laps. When I get to the point where I can't go much further, I'll just be walking. Yeah. I'm not worried about this. Whew. All right, folks. I'm at 24.12. Just 1.8 to go. Feel good about progress overall. Figure I'll go to Roberts after this. Really need to order some shoes. The ones I have are getting out there in miles. I've lost count. Or rather, I've not been keeping count. Oh, what a day. What a good day for this.